Go on YouTube, what are you saying? Just to give this a quick service. Engine oil, changing the engine oil. Just put a new spark plug in there. So the engine oil, I'd recommend this to anyone with 4-stroke or 2-stroke. It's the best engine oil out there for it. So yeah, just giving this a little service. And that's the, I don't know if you can see it properly, the state of the engine oil. Oh, it's bad, really bad. Nah, that shouldn't be like that. No chance. No chance. But yeah, little project I got, so gonna get a new exhaust for it, and I'll sort out the back brakes. Gonna get a new chain. Yeah, definitely need a new exhaust for this. That's bad, really bad. I have the new quad wheels as well, so it still runs and everything. It's just getting new things for it. So I'm starting off with a service and take it from there then. See what it runs like. A little 125 automatic. So the next video now I'll be putting up is the service on the pit bike. That'll be the next video now. So see you all in the next video, guys. Have a blessed day.